Let us see our next chapter is the probability. Probability is a quantitative measure that can happens the number of outcomes. That is, what is meant by a event? Event nothing but the collection of some or all the items of a random experiment is called an event. Next, the definition of probability is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is, in our class 9th we studied about the probability, the basics. That is, what is nothing but a sure event. Probability of an sure event. The probability of a sure event is always is equals to the 1. What is meant by a non-sure event? That is, in a random experiment, the outcomes which is not possible or impossible are called non-sure event. That is, probability is always positive which lies between 0 and 1. That is, 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. That is, probability of an event is lies between 0 and 1. And one more definition, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Non-sure event is also we can express it as impossible event. That is, probability of an event plus probability of an impossible event is always is equals to 1. From this formula we can generate that P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar, or P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. That is, suppose for example, the probability of passing the students in an exam is 0.98. The probability of passing the students in the examination is 0.8. Then what is the failures? That is 0.02. That is, which makes us 8 plus 2 10 1 1.1. Let us see the next object. Let us see the next example. The probability of passing the students in an examination is 0.01. 0.01, which is we can represent it with the P of E. Next, the probability of not passing the students, P of E bar is equals to formula 1 minus P of E. That is 1 minus 0.01. That is 1.00, 0.01, 10 minus 1, 9, 9. That is 0.99 is the probability of the students which are not passing in the examination. Next, the probability of getting good marks in the examination is 0.43. That is, next, the probability of not getting the good marks in the examination, P of E bar. That means, not means we are connecting with P of E bar. That is 1 minus P of E is the formula. That is, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus 0.43, that is 1.00 0.43, that is 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 5, that is 0.57. Students are not securing the good marks in the examination. Let us see some examples. When a coin is tossed, the number of outcomes are, about coins we are discussing now. Coins has two faces, head and tail. That is, when a coin is tossed, number of outcomes are 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2. Next, when a coin is tossed twice, or two coins are tossed at a time, the number of outcomes are 2 to the power 2, that is a 4. Next, when a coin is tossed thrice, or three coins are tossed at a time, the total number of outcomes are 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Now, let us discuss these cases in detail. That is, when a coin is tossed, number of outcomes are 2 to the power 1, that is 2, that is head and tail. That is head and tail. Here no need to place any brackets here, only head and tail. It is a case 1. Next, case 2, when a coin is tossed twice, or when a coin is tossed 2 times, or 2 coins are tossed at a time, the number of outcomes are 2 square, that is a 4. That is, chances are, first chance true true, second chance true, that is tail tail, next tail head, next head tail, next head head, that is a pair. Just by looking at this one, you can identify that when a coin is tossed 2 times, or 2 coins are tossed at a time. Next, when come to the case 3, three coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 3 times, the number of outcomes are 8. That is, right trail 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 4 times, after that 4 heads, that is 4 trails and 4 heads. After this one, half of the 4 is a 2, that is 2 trails, 2 heads, 2 trails, 2 heads. After that, the half of 2 is the 1, that is tail, head, trail, head, trail, head, trail, head. That is, this is represents group of 3. That means from this one you can understand easily that when 3 coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 3 times. Now, from this one, when 3 coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 3 times, what is the probability of getting no head? No head means, see in this one, no head, that means you can pick up the answer that in that one head option will be not there. That is, here head is there, here is there, here is there. In all the cases, head is there except the first one. Therefore, probability of getting no head is only one option out of 8. Therefore, probability is 1 by 8. Similarly, when a coin is tossed 3 times, what is the probability of getting no trail? That is, in all the cases trail is there except in this case. That is, we can write the answer that 1 by out of 8 options. Therefore, the answer is total number of favorable items by total number of items. That is, number of favorable items by total number of items. That is 1 by 8. This is about the coins. That is, when a coin is tossed one time, the number of outcomes are 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 times means 2 to the power 2, 4. 3 times means 2 to the power 8, and so on. Okay, let us discuss with another topic, that is dice. That is, we know very familiar with the dice. Die has 6 faces. That is, when a dice is rolled, number of outcomes are 6 to the power 1, that is a 6. Why 6? 6 power 1, why? That is, a die has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a die is rolled once. That is, number of outcomes is 6 power 1, that is a 6. Next, when a dice is rolled twice, number of outcomes are 6 to the power 2, that is a 36. Similarly, when a dice is rolled thrice, number of outcomes are 6 power 3, that is a 216, and so on. That is, let us see these options in detail. When a die is rolled, outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, each outcome is individual. Now, let us come to the second one. When a dice is rolled twice, or 2 dice are rolled at a time, outcomes are 36, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. That is, with the possibility of 1. Next, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Similarly, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next, the last option, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. That is, the total number of outcomes. Let us see, when your dice is rolled twice, the number of outcomes are 6 square, that is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, in each row 6 are there, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are, that is altogether 36 outcomes are here. Similarly, you can start with 6 power 3 216 in the same way. Now let us see the next option. Let us discuss with the next item, that is the chords. From chords, that is total number of chords are 52. This 52 is divided into 4 different categories. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, each one is called as a suit. That is, total number of chords 52 are there. These 52 chords are divided into 4 equal parts. Each equal part is called as a suit. Those are diamonds, next hearts, next clubs, next the last one is spades. That is, each suit contains, diamond contains 13 chords, 13 chords, hearts, 13 clubs, 13 spades. Now each one is called as suit. That is, from a well shuffled pack of the chords, total number of chords are the 52. These 52 chords are divided into 4 equal parts. Each equal part is called as a suit, and these suit names are diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. Here diamond and hearts are red in color, and clubs and spades are black in color. Now let us discuss with the 13 cards. Now let us take one suit, any suit. Suit contains a 13 cards. In these 13 cards, first option, king, queen, jack are 3 cards which are called as face cards. That is, king, queen, jack are called face cards. Next, number cards. That is, number cards. It starts from 2 to 10. That is, total number of cards are 9 cards. Now the last one is ace. It is 1 card. That is, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, total 13 cards. That is, each suit is divided into 3 different categories. That is, king, queen, jack are called as the face cards. Number cards, which starts from 2 to 10. That is, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is total 9 cards, which are called number cards. Next, ace is 1. That is, from total cards, number of face cards are 3 into 4 suits. That is 3 into 4, 12. 12 face cards are here. Next, number cards from each suit 9. The total 9 into 4, 36. Ace card is 1 card. That means from one suit one ace card will be there. From the 4 suits, 4 cards will be there. That is, total number of cards are 52. Let us see the next problem. What is the probability of a number selected from numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on 16? Option A, even number. Option B, odd number. Option C, prime number. Option D, multiples of 4. Option E, multiples of 6. Option F, factors of 8. Option G, factors of 10. Now, according to the given question, what is the probability of a number selected from the numbers 1 to 16? Here different options are added here. First one is the even number, second one is the odd number, third one is prime number, fourth one is the multiples of 4, multiples of 6 and factors of 8 and factors of 10. Composite number. Now let us see these options. Answer: total number of cards, is equals to 16, because it is given from 1 to 16. Now option 2, answer A. What is the even number? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That is, let P of A be the event of getting the even number. That is, even numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 even numbers are there out of 16 numbers. Therefore, the probability is 1 by 2. Similarly, option B, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now here odd numbers are number of odd numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, 8 odd numbers are here. Therefore, let P of B be the event of getting the odd number. That is 8 by total number of 16. That is 1 by 2. Now let us come to option C. A prime number. Prime numbers are, least prime number is the 2. Prime number is a number which has the factors only 1 and itself. such numbers are called prime numbers. That is, from this group 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. That is, number of prime numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of prime numbers is equal to 6. Therefore, let P of C be the event of getting the prime number. That is, P of C is equal to 6 by 16. Total number of cards are 16, which will be cancelled by 2 table 3 times, 2 table 8 times. 3 by 8 is a standard fraction. Now, D, option D, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are from this group 4, 16. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. Number of multiples is equal to 4. That is, let P of D be the event of getting the multiples of 4. That is, 4 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 4. Next, option E, multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6 and 12. Next multiple is 18, but 18 is a number not in this group. Therefore, number of multiples is equal to 2. Let P of E be the event of getting the multiples of 6, that is 2 by 16, which is nothing but 1 by 8. Next, option F, factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. That means 8 is cancelled by 1 table, 2 table and 4 table and 8 table. Therefore, number of factors are 4. P of F, let F be the event of getting the factors of 8. That is 4 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, sorry. Next, option G, factors of 10. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. That is, 10 is cancelled by 1 table, 2 table, 5 table and 10 table. Therefore, number of factors are 4. Number of factors are 4. Therefore, P of G is equals to 4, but total number of cards are 16, that is a 1 by 4. Next, the last option G, option I, composite number. Composite numbers are, from that one, composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. Composite number is a number which have more than 2 factors. That means all the numbers what we have written here have more than 2 factors. Therefore, number of composite numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is P of I. Let I be the event of getting the composite number, that is 9 by 16, which is a standard fraction. Let us see the next problem. When 2 dice are rolled, find the probability of getting option A equal number, option B sum is prime number, option C total 10, option D difference 4. Now let us see, when 2 dice are rolled, find the probability of getting the 4 options. Answer: when 2 dice are rolled, total number of outcomes are 6 power 2, that is 36. That is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6, 2 1 and so on, 2 6, 3 1 and so on, 3 6, 4 1 and so on, 4 6, 5 1 and so on, 5 6, 6 1 and so on, 6 6. Now from these 36 options, option A first, equal numbers, that is let A be the event, of getting equal number. That is, outcomes are 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 6 options are there. That is number of equal numbers. Number of equal numbers is equal to 6. Therefore, P of A is equal to 6 by 36. That is nothing but 1 by 6. Next, option B, sum is a prime number. That is, let B be the event of getting the sum is a prime number. Sum is a prime number. Now, 1 plus 1, 2 is a prime number, that is a 1 1. 1 plus 2, 3 is a prime number. 1 plus 3, 4. Next 1 plus 4, 5 is a prime number. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 6 is a 7 is a prime number. Next we will come to 2 1, 2 3, 2 5 and 2 6. 2 6 nothing but 8. Next with 3, 3 2, 3 3, next 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, with 3 not possible. Next 4, 4 1, 4 2, nothing but 4 plus 2, 6, 4 3, 4 4, next with 4 completed. Next with 5, 5 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 2, next 5 3 is 8, 5 4 is 9, 5 5 is 10, 5 6 is 11. Next with 6, 6 1, 6 2 is 8, 6 3 is 9, 6 4 is 10, 6 5. That is, here the option is sum must be a prime number. Now total number of outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 by total number of outcomes is a 15. Therefore P of B is equal to 15 by total number of outcomes are 36. Next option C, total 10. Total 10. That means if you add, you must get the number 10. 1 6 highest is the 7. That means in 1 it is not possible. 2 plus 6, 8. That is in 8 also not possible. Let us come to 3. 3 plus 6 is a 9. But our total is 10. Now 4 6. Favorable outcomes are 4 6. Next with 5. 5 5 will come. Next with 6. 6 4 will come. That is, P of C be the probability. Here number of outcomes are 3 by total number of outcomes are 36. That is 1 by 12. Last option, difference is 4. Difference is the 4. With 1, difference is 4. That is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 2. Negatives are coming here. Here also 2 minus 6, minus 4 is coming. But I want the difference is a plus 4. Next 3 minus 6, minus 3. 4 minus 6, minus 2. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. That is, the difference is 4, means which is 6 1. Next 6 2, that is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is the 4. Next 5 minus 1, 4. Next with 4, 4 1, 4 2. That is, only 2 options are there. That is, P of D is equal to 2 by total number of outcomes are 36. That is 1 by